Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show you this awesome lighting from Sokopy. This is LED recessed lighting. You can see that we have it installed here in my ceiling in my kitchen. We renovated an entire house this summer, and I'm so pleased with the lighting that we chose. These are not only crazy easy to install, but they really brighten up the entire room, and they're completely flush. So you don't have anything protruding out of your ceiling, perfectly flush mounted. Now, as you can see, they come with a little protective sticker on them. They're 4-inch, so nice and small. I believe they come in different sizes, and they're spring loaded. So all you do is you cut a hole in your ceiling where you want your light, just over 4 inches. They have the exact measurements in the instructions. And then of course you'll need to feed your wiring wherever your light's gonna go. You use the junction box that comes with it. It's very small, so you don't need a lot of space in your ceiling, which is amazing. And then you just feed it through, connect all the wires, and then you connect the light to the junction box. You flip these little clips up, you put it into your drywall, and they lock in place, and that is honestly it. You're good to go. You can connect one junction box to the next and have an entire room of lights. Now these are dimmable, so if you have a dimmable switch, you can do that. They also have 5 different color settings. I love this feature. So in my kitchen, I wanted the brightest possible, so this is the 5000K. But in my office, for example, I wanted a warmer light, so you can choose to go between the different color variations and choose the perfect one for the space you're in. These are crazy long lasting, so you won't have to worry about replacing the light bulbs anytime soon. And then of course, energy efficient. So you wanna save on electricity costs, this is the way to go. I highly, highly recommend these. I have them all over my house. They come in a 12-pack. Quality is fantastic. Instructions are clear, so simple to install, and absolutely a good choice. And that's my point of view.